How can you avoid tourist traps in NYC's Little Italy? Imagine wandering through a neighborhood filled with history, culture, and mouthwatering food. Little Italy in New York City is a vibrant place, but it can also be full of spots that target tourists with overpriced menus and fake Italian dishes. So, how do you find the real gems? First, look for restaurants that have been around for decades. Family-owned places like Casa D'Angelo are known for their homemade pasta and fresh ingredients. These spots often have a warm, inviting atmosphere and serve traditional recipes that have been passed down. Avoid places with flashy signs or menus that are plastered on the sidewalk with big photos. These are often designed to catch tourists' eyes but may not serve authentic food. Instead, walk a few blocks away from the main tourist streets like Mulberry Street. The side streets are where locals go, and you'll find better prices and higher quality. Check the staff's background if possible. Restaurants with servers who have Italian heritage or culinary experience tend to serve more genuine dishes. Read reviews from locals or long-time visitors, not just tourist sites. Places with positive feedback from people who live nearby are more likely to serve authentic Italian cuisine. Timing also matters. Dine during off-peak hours like early evenings or late nights when restaurants are less rushed and more focused on quality. When choosing what to order, stick to signature dishes like fresh pasta, seasonal seafood, or regional Italian desserts. These are often the most authentic and delicious options. Keep an eye out for restaurants that emphasize homemade pasta or seasonal ingredients. These are signs of a place that cares about quality and tradition. If a restaurant offers a menu full of Americanized Italian food or heavily processed dishes, it's probably a tourist trap. In the end, your best bet is to pick places with a long history, positive local reviews, and menus that focus on traditional, fresh ingredients. That way, you'll enjoy real Italian flavors and avoid the crowds and inflated prices of the tourist spots.